Hi friends, welcome to Timing Python series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert a pandas series to a dictionary in Python. It's a really simple concept, but it can be useful in many of your projects. So let's get started. A dictionary in Python is just a set of key value pairs. This is a dictionary, this is a data object in Python. This is the key first name and the value is John. This is the key last name and the value is Smith. So if you want to convert a pandas series to a data structure like this, which is a dictionary, how can I do that? So we just use the toDict function on a pandas series and it will be converted to a dictionary. So let us take an example. I'm taking a blank folder. I'm going to open it with a VS Code. I'll import pandas as PD first, and then I'll just create a pandas series. For this example, I'll just write ser, which is series, pd dot series, and here I'll just give some values like 1 2 3 4, and I'll give index values as suppose a. So I'll just print this series and show you how it looks like. So this is the data values and this is the index values. So this is the pandas series. So I'll just run this and show you how the series will look like. You can see this is the pandas series. This ABCD is the index and 1 2 3 4 is the value, and I'll show you the type of it also. It's obviously a series, but I will just print it and show you what is the type of this object. Alright, so I'm just running it again so that you can see the type. You can see this is the pandas core series. So since I've created a pandas series, it's showing the type of this object as pandas series. So now if I want to convert this series to a dictionary, what can I do? It's really simple, guys. I'll just write d equal to series dot to underscore dict. So what it does is basically convert this series to a dictionary. So I'll just print this and show you how it looks like. I'll just run it. Here you can see I have converted the pandas series to a dictionary. Dictionaries in Python are very useful for doing a quick lookup, and you can use this toDict to convert a pandas series to a dictionary. You can even convert a dictionary to a pandas series. That's really simple. So how to do that? It's really simple. I'll just create a dictionary d equal to, suppose I've written first name John and last name Doe. So this is a dictionary, right? So if I want to convert this dictionary series, I'll just write s equal to pd dot series, and you just give the dictionary. It will create the series itself. It's really simple, guys. Now I'll just print s to show you how it looks like. I'll just run this. Now you can see I've got the dictionary with these two as the index values. The keys will become the index of the series and the values will become the values of the series. So you just write pandas.series of d, you will get the convert the dictionary to a pandas series. So it's really simple, guys. You can see I've created a blog post on converting a pandas series to a dictionary in Python. You can even copy the sample code which I have given and practice it in your PC. So be sure to check out the link of this blog post in the description of this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, guys.